In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel to N8N. We'll walk through this process step by step, so whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer, you'll find this guide helpful for linking your applications seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, to access the Credentials section, you need to open the N8N interface. On the left sidebar, there's an option labeled Credentials. Click on this to get started. It's the place where N8N keeps all authorization data, ensuring secure communication between integrated services. Now, once you're in the Credentials menu, look for the option that says Create New. You'll want to click on this to start setting up new credentials. You'll be prompted to select a credential type. Here, you need to choose High Level. By selecting High Level, you are specifying the exact integration you wish to establish. Next, it's critical to choose your method of authentication correctly. For this particular integration, we're going to select OAuth 2. OAuth 2 is an industry-standard protocol for authorization, ensuring a secure token-based authentication. It's important because it allows applications limited access based on your permissions, rather than sharing personal login details. Now, setting up OAuth 2 credentials requires you to follow specific instructions. Head over to the High-Level Credentials documentation. It's essential that you adhere to all guidance provided in High-Level's developer console to create these OAuth 2 credentials. During this setup, make sure that the High-Level API is enabled for your project. This step is crucial because the API acts as the bridge that allows data exchange between GoHighLevel and N8N. Once you've successfully set up OAuth 2 in the developer console, you'll have several pieces of necessary data: the client ID, the client secret, and the OAuth 2 redirect URI. These values are your keys to unlocking connectivity between the two platforms. Back in the N8N Credentials configuration menu, you need to carefully enter these pieces of information. Accurate entry is key, as any mistake could lead to connectivity issues. After you've filled in these fields, double-check everything to ensure there are no errors. When you're confident everything is correct, hit Save. This action will store your high-level credentials securely within N8N, securing a safe and functional connection between the two platforms. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected GoHighLevel to N8N. Now, your applications are ready to communicate and perform tasks automatically, saving you time and effort. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your integration journey smoother.